Okay, me waminya and Bill Asamoah, Kumawood Michael Jackson. Welcome.
Thank you, my dear.
Okay, Bill. Any expectations now for Enyumbre?
Well, Enyumbre, let me first congratulate the organizers of Kumawood and Namin Kasa, actors in the Ashanti region, Ghana and beyond. Are recognizing, are nominating. Omaji movies are almost rewarding on that. You know, yeah, the almost say. We appreciate what the event organizers are doing, and we say kudos to them because it's been a hectic year. Until me, 2015. There's been changes, but by God's grace, almost shared this 23rd are happening live. What we are asking is simple. Maybe last Samoa there, it has been a very tremendous year for me. 2015 was a wonderful year, and I love it all when I was nominated 3 categories: Best Actor, Best Supporting, Most Favorite. You understand? I always say, sir, my fans are my award. Anytime I step out there and then somebody calls me and say, Bill Asamoah, I go like, to God be the glory, you know. It tells me that the little that I'm doing as a human being, you know, will be appreciated. But and there's Kumawood organizer. By God's grace, Kumawood started way back 5 years ago. Anytime I step here or check my ward, and then minim say, Nyame no ye nyame dada no and there was say na de ni. You know what I'm saying, baby. And you know, you better nyame asese odi ye kra ba beka Kumawood for. And whatever it is, the answer can be no. Be it whatever it is. May his name be praised. And Mami congratulating me, other colleagues, my competitors, Mami can almost say, Obia your potential winner. If I win, that's it. If they win, that's it. But on top of it all, I love everybody and I respect everybody. That's it.
Okay, but I want an endorsement for the show. It's called De 3, an entertainment show. So encourage the viewers. So De 3. It's a she entertainment show.
Okay.
So you mentioned your name.
Hello Ghana, hello Africa, hello worldwide. We are the airco. Me Bill Asamoah me ko. So what if you na sa o come home here and dia na chesa o nhwe dia Airco TV. And also chesa na chesa o ka o mo ko ho. Still blessed. Bill Asamoah, I say so. I love you.
Thank you.